Alright, today I'm going to show you a few things about my dogs here. This is my boxer that I have. Her name's Maggie. And I do have her right now in the down position. She's staying. And I have another boxer, but I had to leave her inside because she's extremely jealous and wouldn't let me even take pictures of the other dogs without having a fit. So anyway, hey Maggie. Hey girl. Can you come? Good girl. Good girl. Okay, Maggie. Come. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Yes, that's my good girl. She is so obedient. Pretty easy going for the most part. Come here, Mags. Come. Sit. Sit. Stay. And that's what happened. I forgot to put her in to stay. Good girl. Maggie, stay. Good girl. And what I'm doing, if you see my hand come across there, I've trained her when they see my hand like that to stay. So that's the command hand signal, which is always good to use with your dogs, and along with the voice command. That way, for some reason, if they couldn't hear you, if you give them that hand signal, then they could still obey your command. She's a little excited out here. That's why she wasn't actually doing it right on the first time. But that is the goal, is to have them obey the first time, because really their life could depend upon it, especially if they would be across the street or something and you could give them the hand signal to go down like she's right now and stop, and that might save her from getting hit by a car or something like that. So this is one of the hardest commands to get them to do, because they do not like to lay down. It is submission for them. They don't like that. They'd rather be in a dominant position. But she's pretty good. I'll show you with my other one. She's more reluctant to do this command. She'll do it very easily if I make her do it for her food, but just to give her the down command, she doesn't really like it, because she's much more of a dominant, aggressive dog that I have to spend a lot more time with. So anyway, that's our little Maggie. Right, girl? You pretty girl, aren't ya? Okay, and maybe I can give you guys some more tips. I've been working with them and stuff, and a little bit training them myself, so maybe I can do a couple more clips on YouTube. So anyway, there's one happy little girl.